See that. What is question number? Exercise 3.1, question number 1. Correct. Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago, means 7 years ago, saying now, right? Means now means percentage. Now means, so percentage 7 years ago. If it is x, that is x minus 7. Getting now? See, maths now is a language. You should think how to do. After reading the question, if you can able to think about the question, then you can able to do. If thinking somebody will say the full answer and I will mug up and I will go, then maths is not for you. Correct. Anyhow, you will get pass, but after that, maths is not for you. Getting? So try to think. So saying 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you. 7 years ago, I was as old as you. Correct. Then also 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you. Correct. Then saying represent this solution graphically and algebraic and graphically both. Correct. What they told? Let his age be x. Let whose age? Aftab. Spelling man? Percentage, right? Percentage be x year. X year. अच्छा. 7 years ago. 7 years. 7. X minus 7. 7 years ago x minus 7. अच्छा. 7 years ago x minus 7. अच्छा. Next saying his daughter age. His daughter age. So let assume his daughter age is y. Assume his daughter age is y. Because we are learning two variables, so we can assume two variables. Doesn't matter, right now. So y year, right? Let be y year. If I write y means it will look y, right? Y year. Acha. So 7 years ago, daughter also will be 7 years less. It means they are talking now, na. So now only they are talking with daughter. Yes or no? So if 7 years ago, Aftab age was x minus 7, daughter age also y minus 7. What is the daughter age? Y. So now daughter age is y. Now daughter age is y. Now Aftab age is x. 7 years ago. Go 7 years back. So x minus 7, y minus 7. Yes or no? Acha. Next saying 7 times old as you. 7 times old. 7 times old who? Dad or daughter? 7 times old is who? Dad or daughter? Dad, right? Yes or no? 7 times old is dad than daughter. Old, dad than daughter. So in which age has to multiply by 7? Dad age or daughter age?
Dad.
If you multiply 7 times dad age, 7 7s are 49. If you think where it will go? Logic, right? In dad is 7 times older. So for making equal, you will multiply with daughter age. Yes or no? So what we get according to the question, x minus 7 is equal to y minus 7 into 7. Yes na? Here we get one equation. Here we get acha. Next part of the question is saying also 3 years from now. 3 years from now. 3 now. Aftab is how much? Now. Now is what?
Now is x.
Now is x.
X.
Now is
Yes.
3 year next age will be
14. X plus 3.
x plus 3 man. How it's become 14? X plus 3. And daughter is? Daughter age is now how much?
Y.
This is the percentage.
Y plus
This is the percentage. So y plus 3. And saying 3 year from now I shall be 3 times older as you will be. Correct? 3 times older means in which one I shall multiply with 3? Dad age or daughter age? Daughter age means x plus 3 is equal to y plus 3 into 3. Yes, na? We have got two equations. We have got now simply will simplify and we'll get the answer. Getting or not? So now simplify it. So see, x minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 49. 7y, be with me. This side plus 7y, this side minus 7y, minus 6y is equal to minus 49 minus plus 7, minus 49 minus 42. 9 minus 7 is 2, right? Minus 42, minus both side cancel. Y is equal to 6 7 ja 42. Yes or no? 6 7 ja 42. Till here okay? But wait.
Sir, how did we got 6, sir?
Wait. Mistake. This is x, this is y, right? We can't subtract only. Variable should be same, na? So see, x minus 7y is equal to minus 49 plus 7. Right, na? X minus 7y is equal to minus 42. This become equation number 1. Equation number 1. I forget, like we have here two variable. I thought this also x only. Okay, next. Here x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9. 3y plus x minus 3y is equal to 9 minus 3 6 plus 9. This side minus 3. This side. So 9 minus 3 is 6. Equation 2. We get two equation. One equation this, one equation this. Now using two equation, find the value of x and y. So I am writing here x minus 7y is equal to minus 42 and x minus 3y is equal to 6. Right now, here we can cancel x. We can cancel x. So both x is plus plus. Both x is now change the sign. Here plus, so minus plus minus. Whatever sign is there downside, we should change. Getting? X get cancelled. What remain? Minus 7 plus 3. Now this sign will not be assumed. This sign will be vanished, right? Yes or no? So minus 7 plus 3. How much? Minus 4y is equal to minus 42 and minus 6. Minus 42 minus 6 minus 48. Correct na? Now minus both side we can cancel. So y is equal to 48 by 4. How much? 12. Y is equal to 12 year. Why what we assume? Daughter age. So daughter age will be 12. Yes na? Acha, next. Dad age will be how much? Dad age how much?
42. 48.
How saying 42, 48, man? This y value put in either this equation or this equation. Yesterday also I told. Yesterday I told you now, when two equation is there, you are finding the solution by graphically, and you can find by this method also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So put this y value either in this one or this one. Which one I should put?
Greater.
Why? This is more, na?
Yes, sir.
Why being in more complication? Put in the smaller one. So see, to 21. If I put this y here, y 36, right? 12 3 ja 36 minus 36. This side plus 36. This side. So 6 plus 36. 6 plus how much?
42.
So x is equal to 42 year. Getting? So you get to know dad age and daughter age. Understood? But same question they are saying you should do graphically also. Algebraic, this is algebraic, and you should do graphically also. So for graphically what you will do? See, two equation is what? X minus 7 is equal to 42. x minus 7 is equal to 7y, right? Minus 42. Another equation, x minus 3y is equal to 6. Correct? For both we should make dabba, right? Are yes or no?
Sir.
xy, right now? Acha, now x y, one time x is equal to 0, one time y is equal to 0. This one lay it out. Acha, if x is equal to 0, if x is equal to 0, so minus 7y is equal to 42. Just try to calculate in the mind. This becomes 0, so minus 7y is equal to minus 42. Minus minus get cancel. Y is equal to 42 by 7. 42 by 7. How much? 7 6 is 42. So y is equal to 6. Not get.
No, sir.
You are not being with me. Then I am putting x is equal to 0. X is equal to what is the equation? X minus 7y is equal minus 42 is equal to 42, right? Is equal to minus 42. X is equal to 0 means so minus 7y is equal to minus 42. Cancel. So 7y is equal to 42. Y is equal to 42 by 7. So y is equal to 6.
No, sir.
So if you don't have mind, if you can't able to think, this much is to write. See how fast we can think. This becomes 0, minus minus cancel, and 7 6 is 42 answer. If you want to write, getting the thing you can do in the mind, try to do in the mind. Correct? Now think next. I put y is equal to 0. I put y is equal to 0. Achha, if y is equal to 0, x is equal to
देख रहा हूँ सर.
relieve the support man. देख रहा हूँ सर. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 42. Yes or no? Achha, next. Here put x is equal to 0. X is equal to y is equal to minus 2. Yes or no? Achha, y is equal to 0. X is equal to 6. Y is equal to 0. This term fully becomes 0. So x is equal to 6. Yes or no? So we have get point 0 comma 6 minus 42 comma 0, right? And here we get 0 comma minus 2 and 6 comma 0. Correct? We have got our points. Now try to represent on the graph. So x is equal to, we should take till 42, right? Big number came. What I am taking? I am taking interval of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 45, 50. Something wrong, right? 35 I have not written. 35, 40, 45. Correct? Yes, na? Here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. But all in minus. Correct? And y value we don't require more, right? We required here 0, here required 6, here required minus 2, here required 0, right? Don't require more. So we can take like 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Getting? So see, I have taken x-axis different measurement, y-axis different measurement. Correct? If you do like this or whatever, in your graph sheet in the corner, graph sheet in the corner, you should mention x-axis. X-axis. If x-axis 1 unit or 1 centimeter, because in your graph small boxes will be there, right? That value of 1 centimeter. That value of so 1 centimeter on x-axis is equal to 5 unit. Getting? Yes or no? On x axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 unit, and on y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1
1 unit.
unit. Correct. This you should mention, like which kind of unit you have taken, that you should mention on the corner of the graph sheet, right? These all things you should do in the graph sheet. Getting? Now represent. So 0 comma 6, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6. So 4, 5, 6. This point? Yes or no? 0 comma 6. Next, x is equal to minus 42, x is equal to
minus 42.
y is equal to 0. Here, so almost here it will come
Yes, sir.
minus 42 comma 0. We get point like this.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Next, x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 2. X is equal to 0, y is equal to.
Minus 2.
So x is equal to 0,
Yes, sir.
x is equal to 0 on full y. Y is equal to minus 2, means this point 0 comma
-2.
minus 2. Next,
6.
x is equal to 6, y is equal to 0. X is equal to 6, y is equal to 0. So x is equal to 6 where? Here.
Yes, sir.
So one more line will come like right now. So this line will meet somewhere else. Yes or no?
This line.
Correct. So
Maybe
this point will give you the
Meeting point.
solution. Like this one join here x, this one join here
y.
y. Correct. See, it's coming nearby 35, 36. This is a rough work, right? If you do in the graph sheet, you will get proper answer. Yes or no? So get to know how to do.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So this is your algebraic solution, and that is your graphically solution. Understood both? And understood?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, copy it. Question number? Exercise 3.1 only. Exercise 3.1, question number 2. See, the coach of cricket team buys 3 bat and 6 ball for rupees 3,900. Correct. Later she buys another bat and 2 ball. Means bat and ball, two things, right? So assume, let bat cost be
X.
rupees x and
Ball for
ball cost rupees
Y.
y. Correct na? She buyed 3 bat and 6 ball. 3 bat and 6 ball.
Ball.
3 bat 6 ball is equal to 3,900. Correct na? Again she buyed 1 bat and 2 more ball. 1 bat and 2 more ball, and cost is given 1,300. Correct? Yes or no? Now saying, represent this solution graphically and algebraic and geometrically. Algebraic and geometrically. Getting? See. So actually algebraically we have represented. Algebraically we have represented. If you want to solve, we can solve. Correct? See, here only. For solving this kind of situation, this kind of see, y also not equal, x also not equal. Y also not equal, x also not equal. We should try to make anyone equal, either x or y. I am trying to make this y equal. This y I am doing with multiplying with 3. 3 to the 6, is it become equal or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Is this one become equal or not? Achha, now, so equation 1 what is? 3x plus 6y is equal to 3,900. Equation 2, 3x plus 6y is equal to 3,900. See, both came same. Both came same. When both are coming same, shall I check? A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by
C2.
C2. Check.
Is equal.
if it's both becoming same, either you do check with here or check with here. See, I'm checking with here. 3 by 1, 6 by 2 and 3900 by 1300. Yes na? 3
Yes, sir.
3 3 3 and 3 all are equal or not?
Yes, sir.
So if all are equal, if
All are equal.
A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2 are equal, then which kind of solution will get? Which kind of solution you get? See backside of your book. See backside of your book, not backside of your bench. Had quality of gadas.
Some hard. They
Don't know which country you stay, man. You are on the earth only.
Indeed.
Backside means where you will see, where you have copied the things.
Infinite solutions. Infinite.
See, he is thinking where I should see. So what will get?
Infinite solution.
sir.
Infinite solution.
Sir.
Correct na? Infinite solution means our graph will be which kind? Overlapping.
Yes, sir.
Means on one line only, means both line will come on same place. Correct na? So by seeing the equation only this much we get to know. But the question is saying to represent, so we will represent. Correct na? Acha, at least we get to know we are not going to get any solution. Correct na? Acha. Even then 3x plus 6y is equal to 3900 and right? Yes na?
Yes, sir.
Make box. X, Y, X,
Why?
Y. Now X is equal to put 0. X is equal to 0. Then Y is equal to how much? It will become big number, right?
Yes, sir.
Put something more than. Put something
More than.
more. How much will put?
2.
Wow, this much more, man. Leave. Then 0 is only better. So 6 6 ja 36. 6 6 ja 30. 6 5 ja 30.
Yes, sir.
650. I told to put more. He is saying, okay, sir, don't put 0, put 2. What will happen when 3 2 just 6? Minus 6 you will do. This much more, how you can think? This kind of people is here. I'm saying to see back. He is saying full back of the page where that page is empty. And back means where you have written that solution yesterday. Hey, you can think like that only.
सब लोग
Miss-
ऐसे ही करेंगे सर.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, see how we have seen back and seen the answer is infinite. सब लोग ऐसे ही think करेंगे. When you go for job ना, they will also think. Means what will happen if some examiner have asked the question, he don't know. He told, okay, go see in the book and come. Maybe he given chance, okay, at least see in the book and come. Correct. Now which book he will see? Notebook or textbook? Maybe question is of mathematics. He will see in the science, in that also biology, physics, or which one?
Wow.
True or not? I am seeing to see back. He is seeing here. See his common sense. I am seeing to see, like examiner have told, at least see in the book and say the answer. Question is of mathematics. Which class mathematics you will think? First class or 10th class? Right? See, everybody will think like this only.
हमारा स्कूल के वहाँ बोलिए सर सब लोग भी ऐसे कर देंगे.
Your school is not your life. A school will give you the job. Try to be out from this limit. Now, y is equal to 0. Y is equal to
0.
So x is equal to 3900 by 3 means 13. 13
13.
1300. Yes or no? Here also will get same point. X is equal to 0. X is equal to
0.
so y is equal to 1300 by 2. So 2 6 ja 12, 2 5 ja 10 and 1 0. Now put y is equal to 0, so x is equal to 1300. See, same points we are getting. Same points we are getting. If you are getting same point, 100% graph will lie on the same line only.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Sir.
Anyhow, solution is
Infinite.
infinite. Understood? Correct na?
Yes, sir.
And how you can check? Checking also you get to know.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Copy it. If I say something to do and you are saying no sir, this is my habit. This is my habit. Acha. How many days you keep your habits? And that too you are knowing this habit is bad. Means now you are small, when you will become big and your friends will meet, what they will say? तू बचपन में जैसा था सेम अभी भी है. सुनकर अरे हम तो बचपन में ऐसे तभी वैसे ही है. मतलब बचपन में भी तू गधा था, अभी भी तू गधा ही है. तुम्हें कोई चेंजेस नहीं आया है. उसका कहने का मतलब डायरेक्टली ये है. तो थिंक विच पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ यू वांट टू लिव. ओके, प्रॉब्लम इज देयर. I know I don't know maths. Correct. So I should solve it. Or I should think this is my habit. I don't know math and I will not learn also. Correct. So this habit how many days can work? Okay, now I don't know maths. It's okay. But we will try. And question for learning, how much you are trying? Is that you are putting your effort? Or saying no, this is my habit that I don't know maths, so I not learn. So now this too in the full life you can't learn. Getting? So try to change yourself. In childhood I used to keep this much long hair. Now hair is small. Right? But something change should be there. Else people will say, बचपन में भी तू गधा था और आज भी तू. किसी ने बोला है ना, गरीब घर में जन्मे जरूर हैं लेकिन गरीब घर में मरेंगे नहीं. समझ में आया? I born in the poor family, but I will not die in the poor family. In between, you should make change. From here to here, you should reach. And for reaching that, you should do work. He'll say, I born in the poor family and I will die also in poor family. It's your wish. We are here to just guide you, just show you the path. We can't walk on that path. Right? Walking is your wish. Getting? चलो do question number 3. See, the cost of 2 kg apple and 1 kg grapes. 2 kg apple and 1 kg grapes. So assume apple, right? Apple cost is rupees X and grapes cost is rupees Y. Correct na? 2 kg apple and 1 kg grapes. 2 kg apple, 1 kg grapes. Like this only, right now is rupees 160, is rupees 160 and cost of 4 kg apple and 2 kg grapes, cost of 4 kg apple 2 kg grapes is given 300, is given 300. Represent solution algebraically and graphically, algebraically and graphically. Getting? Acha. Before doing this solution, we will check A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. Correct na? See. First I am writing that 2 by 4, 1 by 2, 160 by 300. A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. 2 2 ja 4, 1 by 2. This also 1 by 2, but this is something. Means this is 8 2 ja and this is 15. Means 8 by 15. These two are equal, but these two are not equal. Yes na? Means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Correct na? In this situation, which kind of graph you get? No solution. No. And graph will be how? Graph will be how? Parallel lines. Correct na? No solution and graph will be parallel lines. Correct na? So we are knowing that answer will not come, but even then question have told, so we should simplify. Right na? So graph we have done, sorry, equation we have done. Equation we have done. Just make two table. Table. So I'm making here x, y. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 160. Yes na? And for this one, x, y. X is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Y is equal to 150. 300 by 2, 150.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now y is equal to 0. Y is equal to
Zero.
0. If y is equal to 0, 300 by 4. 300 by 4. How much? 20. Is it correct? 4 7 ja 28. 4 7 ja
28.
2 0 remain. 4 5 ja 20. Yes or no? Acha, here y value didn't find. If y is equal to 0, x is equal to how much?
2.
80. X is equal to 80. Yes or no? See here, y is equal to 0, so x is equal to 160 by 2. 160 by 2. 160 by 2 is 80. And here, if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 300 by 2 is 150. Yes, na? And if y is equal to 0, so x is equal to 300 by 4. 300 by 4. Divide, you will get 75. You get the points?
Sir.
You got the points. Now, represent. 0 and 160. How much big you should take? Sir, I take 20, 20.
Yes, sir.
20 is also less only, right? Take 40, 40. Take
40.
40, 80, 120, 160, then
200.
200. Right now?
Yes, sir.
Next here, 40,
80.
80,
120.
160 and
200.
200. Negative values are there, not there, so I'm not writing. Correct now? This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Here you should mention x-axis and y-axis. X-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 40 unit. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 40 unit. Correct now? This you should mention on the graph paper. If you not mention, the teacher will cut the marks. Acha, now x is equal to 0. X is equal to
0.
x is equal to 0. Y is equal to 160. This point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Acha. X is equal to 80. X is equal to
80.
y is equal to 0. This point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So just
Yeah.
join it. And after joining, I told you to write the equation also, right?
Yes, sir.
Anywhere. So 2x plus y is equal to 160. 2x plus y is equal to
160.
Acha, next one. X is equal to 0. X is equal to
0.
0. Which axis? Y axis. Y is equal to 150. So 150 will come almost here.
Yes, sir.
Yes na? Acha, next. X is equal to 75. 75 will come almost here.
Yes, sir.
And y is equal to 0. Means see. And full parallel line is going.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct na? So, and here mention this equation is what? 4x plus 2y is equal to
300.
300. You get your equation? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Copied.
No, sir.
Copy it fast.